Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money fast on Swagbucks. So before diving into the video, I would advise you smash that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video, drop me a comment down below. So the reason I say that is because my channel is all about making money online. So if you're someone who is interested in making money online, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome videos like this. So right now, let's dive into the video. If you do not know what Swagbucks is, Swagbucks is a popular reward program that allows you to earn points by completing various online activities. So what this means is on Swagbucks, once you complete any kind of task on Swagbucks, you're gonna earn points. So from that point, you can turn them into cash. So for example, once you complete a survey on Swagbucks, or maybe you play a game and you complete them successfully, you're going to earn points. So from that point, you could redeem them to cash. So right now, let's get started right now to show you guys the next step on how to start earning money. So guys, the first step you need to do right now is to sign up on Swagbucks. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link in the description right now. So once you use my link to sign up, you're going to get $1 bonus for using my link. So it's very important you use my link. So once you use my link right now to sign up on Swagbucks, it's going to take you straight to the Swagbucks website. So guys, once you use my link in the description below, it's going to take you straight to this website right now. And like I said, I would advise you to use my link, because once you use my link, you're going to get $1 bonus for using my link. So the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account on Swagbucks. So you need to fill out your email address, fill out your password, confirm your password, then agree to their terms and conditions. So once you're done with that, all you need right now is to click on the sign up option right now. So once you click on the sign up option, it's going to ask you to verify your email account. So it's going to take you to your Gmail. So all you need right now is to go verify your email. And once you already verify your email, you're going to start earning money. So right now, I'm going to be moving up to the step 2 on how you can start earning money on Swagbucks. Once you already created an account for yourself right now, this is how your account is going to look like. So the first thing you need to do right now to start making money is to start completing surveys. So surveys is one of the easiest and fastest way to earn money on Swagbucks. So with this surveys, you'll be able to complete a lot of surveys, and once you complete the surveys, you're going to get Swagbucks points. So once you get the Swagbucks points, you can redeem them to cash. So in order to start completing survey right now, all you need right now is to go to the answer tab at the right corner here. So once you click on this place, it's going to take you to the answer tab. So if you see right here, you can see the answer tab. So once you click on the answer tab, you can start completing surveys and start making money for yourself. You can see right here, there are a lot of surveys available right here. And also I want you guys to note that this may also depend on the kind of country you are. Maybe if you are from the top world country like US, UK, you're going to get a lot of surveys than those living in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa. So right now, because of my country right now, I only have one survey at a time. So I only have one survey per day. So it only depends on your country. So like I said, if you're living in the US, UK, you're going to have a lot of surveys right now. So all you need right now is to just keep on checking back every single day to complete survey. So you can see right here, once I complete this survey is going to pay me 5 points right here. So once you already accumulated some points on your account, you could redeem them to cash, you could redeem them to like gift card, or you could redeem them to your PayPal. So they're going to send you the money straight up to your PayPal. So this is going to move me up to the step 2 right here on how to make money on. So guys, another method you could use to make money on Swagbucks is by watching videos. So you can also watch videos on Swagbucks. So you don't have to find to start watching videos, just click on the tab right here on the left corner right here. So once you click on the tab right here, it's going to take you to a section where you could watch videos. So you could see some available videos for you to watch. And also want you guys to note that this section may not be available in your country. So if you are from the third world country like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, this may be available for you. But if you are from Nigeria, South Africa, if you are from a country like Nigeria, African country, this is not going to work for you. So the only way to earn money is by completing surveys and playing games on this website. So that's the only way you could literally make money from this website. So this is going to take me to my step 4 on how to make money on Swagbucks. The method you could use to make money on Swagbucks is through to refer and earn. So you need to refer your friends on Swagbucks. So once you refer your friends on Swagbucks and they sign up using your link, you're going to earn a percentage of their Swagbucks earning. So make sure you invite your friends and family to join Swagbucks. So in order to withdraw your earning right now, all you need right now, you could withdraw your earning through PayPal, Amazon gift card. So in order to do that, just go to your account section right here. Just go to your settings, to your account profile settings. So once you click on your account profile settings, all you need right now is to go just click on your. So once you click on the setting, it's going to take you to where you could link your PayPal account to your Swagbucks account. So you can see right here, all you need right now is to fill in your name, your username, your email address, your password, and then you're going to see a place where you could link your PayPal account right here. So another way to withdraw your money from this website is through Amazon gift card. So once you already accumulated at least 1,000 to 2,000 points right here, you're going to get $10 gift card right here. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if I come over to the reward option right here, let me go over to the reward option like that. So guys, right now, in order to redeem your Amazon gift card, like I said, you need to have at least 1,000 to 2,000 points on Swagbucks in order to redeem your Amazon gift card. So you can see right now, it's stated here that once you already have 1,000 points on the Swagbucks, you're going to get $10 Amazon gift card. So in order to use this Amazon gift card, all you need right now is to go to the Amazon website right now and use this Amazon gift card to purchase something from the Amazon website. So once you purchase something from the Amazon website, it's going to be delivered to your country. It's going to be delivered to anywhere you are in the world. And like I said, you can also withdraw your earnings through PayPal. But if you do not have a PayPal account, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number in the description below. So I'm going to send you the tutorial on how to create a PayPal account. All you need right now is to go over to the description below right now and send me a DM on WhatsApp, and I'm going to send you the tutorial on how to create a PayPal account from wherever you are in the world. So guys, that is it. So those are my tips on how to make money fast on Swagbucks. So if you have gotten any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, like this video, and drop me a comment in case you have any question for me. And thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.